glad that I met you and I got to know that thinking out of the box is the real world and creative and innovation is the world. Really grateful to listen to the lecture of Lakshmi ma'am. She's wonderful. Got the clarity on my thoughts and I'm thankful for that. Thank you. The session was very great and having live interactions with other people, like interactions on the ground. I think it was very great and I would look forward to my records. Thank you. Beautiful session for us because of that we get to know about the startups and innovations we can create that can solve many problems. Not even investing money. It's all about creative thinking.
We had a great time with Varalakshmi ma'am and providing knowledge to everybody.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for this opportunity. It was so interactive section, and we got new ideas how to do startups, and it was boosting our confidence.